Hey fellow drone pilot, it's Chris, the Drone Geek. Do you love flying drones as much as I do? I mean, who wouldn't? These things are so much fun. Maybe you've considered taking your hobby of flying drones and turning it into a career path or just a side hustle, and you're looking to take the Part 107 test to get your commercial license. Maybe you've already started that journey and you do have your Part 107, but you're looking for more opportunities to grow as a commercial remote pilot, both in revenue stream and opportunities to work. Allow me to introduce you to The Droning Company, the #1 online resource for commercial remote pilots based in the United States. If you've got your Part 107 or you're looking to get it, The Droning Company can help. We have tons of resources on our website that will help keep you abreast of the latest trends in the industry, as well as inform you on topics that might be helpful during the Part 107 exam to give you the best chance for success. If you've already got your Part 107, we have a second-to-none job board fraught with opportunity, ranging from staffed positions as a UAV pilot with companies all the way to gigs that are just 1 and 2 offs that'll help you make a little extra side cash. We have lots of opportunity on our job board. It's just $10 a month. There's no reason not to sign up because you can cancel anytime. I'm a member on the Droning Company, and the best part of it, arguably, is your pilot profile. You can use that to display your best work as a commercial remote pilot, all of your aerial imaging projects that you've done in the past, and help to attract clients to your profile. People that are looking for drone pilots to fill roles in their company or just to accommodate a job or project they might have can find your profile on thedroningcompany.com, which ranks high on the Google search engine, and you can also use it proactively. You can send it out to prospective clients so they can see what you're capable of. Check them out online at thedroningcompany.com. Sign up for your pilot profile, just $10 a month, and you can cancel anytime. Make sure you follow the Droning Company across all the major social media platforms too. And I'm not just an advocate for the Droning Company. Again, I'm also a member, and I have my own pilot portfolio, which has helped me to land jobs. For more information and to sign up, thedroningcompany.com.